Hello everyone. Well, this video is a little bit different than the other ones. Instead of having Maya and Claudia in this video, this one's just me, just like some of the old ones we used to do back at Brighton Lake Road. And this is also going to be a lot like one of the old ones we used to do back at Brighton Lake Road. Recently, a lot of people, Richie, Hugh, have been commenting on the old video from me mowing the lawn at 1173 Brighton Lake Road. Well, I'm here in the backyard of the house in Austria right now. Thought I would make another video of me mowing the lawn here. So for everybody who's been a fan in the past, here's a few minutes of me mowing the lawn. So enjoy. Well, as you can see, it's a small lawn, so it doesn't take very long to cut. And the job's all done. Now, anybody who wishes to see me mow any other lawns, well, you're going to have to give me a lawn to mow. Basically, you grow it, I'll mow it. If you invite me over to your house, have a riding lawnmower, or a John Deere, or a pusher like that, let me know. I'll come over, cut your lawn, and it'll be on YouTube. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video for today. Everybody have a good day, and we'll see you all later. Bye.